Hello everyone, today let's talk about the TG oil seal. This product made of rubber and this has with a spring look. And the color is red-brown. This product is a national oil seal and the size is internal diameter is 30 and external diameter is 46. Zinc is 10. This product has many following features. The first one is with longer service life and more wear resistance, good abrasion resistance and high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention and mud pro water, thickened spring and thickened skeleton. This product with spring and with skeleton is applicable to heavy truck and it is a national oil seal applicable to heavy truck and mechanical engineering and equipment processing industry. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.